Hi guys, how are you all? I think everyone is well. Today I'm going to show you Django Python project. This video is not about the tutorial. I'm going to show you my direct project that you can use in your portfolio and you can show in your resume to your clients. Basically, you can use this project because this is open source. Okay, and one thing I need your help. Can you help me? Tell me in the comment section about my videos, how they are and how I can improve my videos. Before we start this video, I have a request for you. If you have not much time to watch this video until end, then please use the 2x speed, but watch this video until end. Let's start video. Here is the project. You can look here and you can look here all the files that are need in this project. And let's start the app. First, you need to activate the Python virtual environment. And here is the command I writing. You can use this in a command prompt to activate the virtual environment. Okay, virtual environment is activate. Now run the server, and here is the command to run the server. Python manage.py run server. You need this command to run the server, and here is the server is run, I mean website. And here is the my website, course with Bhuttag, learn AI and data science free, your gateway to future technology. Here is the my home page. You can look here. It is amazing. I like it. And here my YouTube, but it not working now. Here is the first course, learn AI with real world projects. And here is the learn machine learning with real world projects, second course. And here is the third course, AI resume editor app. And here is the fourth, SQL, learn SQL with real world projects. And here is the fifth course, data visualization course. And here is the sixth course, portfolio projects. And you also look level, beginner, intermediate and advanced level of the course. Here is the blog page of my website, and here is the about section of this website. Okay, and I also make the login page of this website, and here is the login page of this website. And here is the admin page of this website. Here is the admin page of the Django Python. And now I am going to adding one more course. Let's add the course. Before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all, and also like this video, and thanks for watching. And here is the course detail. Let's save this. Okay, I save it. Now let's open the page of the home, and here is the home page. Here is the 7 course. Here you can look all courses again. I am going to showing all courses again. Let's see one thing, how you can use this in your portfolio. It is very easy. You need to just change some things like logo, course titles and description. Now courses are complete. Now here are the all files and folders like HTML and images folder, and also here is the main folder of the Django app. Here are the important files. You can look here, and here is the app models.py. This file is important for because this is connected with the database. So not only this file is important, all files are important that are I am showing you. You need to just change some things in this project. I have already told you, like logo, images of the course, and also courses title, courses description, and also name of the website. You can change the name of the website, and you can put the name of your business. I hope you will use this project in your portfolio. Here is the readme of this project. You can explore and learn many more things from this readme. I hope so. All detailed I added here. Here is the email. This is the demo email, not original. Here, subscribe and like. This was our today video and how you can get the link of the GitHub. It is very easy. I always put the GitHub link in the description, video description, where you can find the link of the GitHub, and then you can use the project in your portfolio. Like and subscribe. We will meet again. Bye bye.